Hi, welcome to week 6, CTS115. We're going to be into chapter 4. We're going to be in chapter 4 for 2 weeks, this week and next. So the first part of this chapter, we're going to look at, I'll take it as far as we'll talk about networking for the first part of it. And then the second section, we'll talk about the internet. And I'll take it up till about page 173-ish or so on how the internet works. So we'll get into that. So a little bit of basic terms and definitions. Darn, there's no exam this week because I'm splitting the chapter up. But the assignment, you do have the review questions and critical thinking questions on page 171, right after the networking portion. So it hopefully should be a relatively easy week. Oh, and by the way, don't forget your critical thinking exercise because that's how I take attendance. Have a nice week. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Bye-bye.